Greetings, ITCE students, and welcome to week 12. This video covers slides 1 through 7. So this week I will be talking about job interviews and the types of interview questions that are usually asked of candidates, and then I'll introduce the mock interview assignment. And on your own time, please review the slides about thank you notes. So again, for these last few weeks of the semester, we've been talking about the hiring process. Once you've made it through the applicant tracking system and your cover letter and resume has been selected, and you'll get invited for a job interview where they'll evaluate you further to make sure that you're a suitable candidate for the job and that you have fit with the company. So the purpose of the interview, that being said, is to do a couple of things. Make sure you have the technical skills and knowledge, and make sure you have the performance skills. So for example, if it says that you can type 35 words per minute, you might want to be prepared to have to do a typing test to make sure you can do that. Or if it says that you're going to have to run a help desk or respond to queries at a help desk, then they might have you do a simulated help desk activity. A good interview process is reliable. So what that means is that when they use this process in the company, they consistently hire good candidates who are able to do the job and don't have to be terminated within the first few months and a job posted again. That's expensive. So types of job interviews. Take a look at the job interview booklet in DC Connect, and there's more information about this. But usually there'll either be a panel or a sequential. So a panel is when the candidate is interviewed by everybody on the hiring team at once, and a sequential is when they are interviewed probably by one or possibly two people on the committee at a time, and then they move on and different people ask different questions, but it's more one-on-one. Okay, so that's video 1 for week 12.